What we're going to do in our next video is we're going to take this original Game Boy that my friend gave me, saying that the screen and the speaker don't work and that it doesn't play anything. We're going to take it apart, clean it up, and do some basic troubleshooting to see if we can't figure out what is wrong with it, and then after that, repair it. Seeing as we want to kind of breathe new life into the CPU, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing that CPU board and placing it inside of this. This is a brand new high quality shell from, where did I get it from? Retro Game Repair Shop. This is the Pearl type. We're going to be pairing that with the opal translucent buttons. We're also pairing it with the IPS backlit screen. It has a really nice black silk screen on it. This is the IPS backlight TV version, which has a consolizer and a palette switcher. This is either the brightness or the palette swapping. Not entirely sure. It might be done with button combos. I'll look into the documentation later. But the neat thing about this is with an RCA cable, it allows you to, I believe, stream video directly from the DMG, which is going to be very cool, especially to show off some of the games that we make here at Despa Development. The part that I'm waiting for in the mail is Natalie the Nerd's LED backlight. It is a flexible PCB that you solder into place here. The LEDs actually sit in between these junctions on the buttons to backlight buttons themselves. And some other things we got are replacement contrast wheels and volume knobs. Funny thing about this is that this board actually has one already, so one of these isn't needed, but it's whatever. We can use another repair. They're going to have, where they're mechanical, they're going to experience wear, and with how much gunk is on this, I imagine that and also just how old it is, I imagine there's gunk underneath the inside of these contrast wheels, so it's good to replace. We also have the 3000 milliamp hour USB-C battery replacement, which looks like it just slots right in and touches the normal contacts. Only thing about this is that where the USB-C jack comes out means we're going to have to punch a hole in the back of this shell and not make it look terrible. That is going to be fun figuring out how to do. It may look terrible anyway, but we'll see. We also got the replacement electrolytic capacitors for the power rail of the DMG. The DMG has a few different power board variations that have different electrolytic setups. I haven't opened this one up yet. I want that to be a part of the video, so we're kind of figuring it out together as it goes. The final thing that we're going to be adding is this clear speaker with this bubblegum pink enamel wire that is by Funny Playing, it seems, and this matched with the pearl shell and the opal keys with a blue black light. I think is going to be a very beautiful machine once everything is said and done.